How to create email campaign in Brevo. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can create email campaign in Brevo. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Brevo, you could also use my affiliate link below the description or earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Brevo, it is a comprehensive marketing platform in which it specializes in managing email campaigns and offers a wide array of features designed to streamline marketing efforts for businesses of all sizes. And the platform also provides users with an intuitive drag-and-drop interface editor for creating visually appealing newsletters and landing pages, making it accessible even for those without extensive design experiences. And also, Brevo includes over 40 pre-made email templates and 8,000 stock images, allowing users to personalize content effectively. And now to create an account, just click the link in the description, or you could also click the sign up free button right here, and you will be directed on this page where you could also start creating your account using your Google, Apple ID, and even using your email account in here. And after creating using any of these methods, you'll now be able to be directed on this page. And from here, it will show you on the left side panel some of the options that you can start navigating via your own contacts, campaigns, and many more. And by simply clicking this contacts option, from here it will show you that you can simply adhere your contacts, wherein you could also import a contact or create a contact in here by clicking this button right here. Upon clicking on it, all you need to do in this right side panel is to simply fill out all of the required information, including the first name, last name, email address, and even the SMS or the phone number of this contact. And after that, you could also click the create button below here to proceed, and you could also add some context in here. Now, so you can see I'm going to enter here the email, first name, last name. But if you scroll down right here, you could also add a contact, time zone, and also the list in here. We just click the create button to proceed, and you will now be able to see here that the contact has now been added. But moving on the left side panel to start creating a campaigns, just click this campaigns option right here. Upon clicking on it, you could also start creating your own campaign by simply clicking the create campaign button on the top right corner. In which upon clicking on it, it will show us on this pop-up window that we can choose to create a campaign such as with welcome message, anniversary date, and many more. But in this option, I'm going to choose email campaign. And from here, you have an option to choose either regular or A/B test. By choosing this A/B test, in which this strategic method is used to compare two versions of email to determine which one performs better in terms of specific metrics such as open rates, click-through rates, and conversions. However, from here, you must have an upgrade account in order to use or to create this kind of template or A/B testing. Moving on, you could also create using regular by simply entering here the campaign name. All you need to do is simply enter here on this page and just click create campaign button below. And upon clicking on it, you'll now be able to be automatically directed on this page. And all you need to do is simply fill out or fulfill all of this required information, including the sender, which will be you. So all you need to do is just simply customize this one if you want to. Now moving on to these recipients, you can simply click this add recipients button right here, in which these are the people that will receive your campaign. So you can simply select here on your list for your segments in here. And in those options, I'm going to choose this one. And after choosing your recipients, you simply click the save button to proceed. Now moving on, we can now proceed by adding a subject line to this campaign. So you could also use AI if you want to in here. And also the preview text below, you could also add here. Now on the right side panel, it will show you what it looks like when the recipients receive your campaign to their inboxes. So as you can see, the subject line that I enter is buy one take one promo. Now under this preview text, you could also add a personalization and choose attribute with your email, last name, first name, and many more. And below, you could also choose a value if the attribute is empty. But in those options, I'm going to enter here, for example, to this preview text, good day. And I'm going to add a personalization in here, which is the last name. But you could also choose which is this first name if you want to, and even enter here the value if the attribute is empty, and click the insert button to proceed adding it. And after that, this is basically how it looks like. Now under this emoji, you could also select a kind of emoji that you prefer to enter here. Now it will show you on the right side panel what it looks like. And now let's say I've now successfully entered here more context on this preview text. If you've now done customizing this part, you can now proceed by simply clicking below here the save button in order to proceed to the next step. And now as you can see, upon clicking on it, you'll now be directed under this design, in which all you need to do is to simply create your email design by choosing here a layout, template gallery, my templates, campaigns, and many more. So you could also choose here under template gallery the kind of template that you prefer, or choosing under these campaigns the available kind of template, let's say this one. But in those options, I'm going to choose under layouts in here. And in this option below, just proceed by clicking use template if you want to start customizing this template. And upon clicking on it, you'll now be able to be directed on this page, where it will show you on the left side panel some of the options that you can start navigating. But from here, you could also start clicking on any of this element, including this text, where you could also start changing it depending on your preferences. For example, I'm going to enter promo alert. And from here, you could also change the font style, font size, and even the font color of it. Now under this logo right here, you could also change to set up your brand on the left side panel. And even add here the product image that you prefer or upload from your computer files. You could also simply drag the image in here to start relocating it or change the location of it under this campaign. And from here, you could also click this image, and in this pop-up window, you can simply select the stock images that you want to be inputted on those kind of blank or templates layout in there. For example, I'm going to search for clothes, and in this result in here, just simply click on any of the result or image that you want to be input in there. And upon clicking or selecting the images, just click the insert button on the top panel in here. Then you will now be able to see here that the image is now been replaced. And now just do the same process on any of these templates that are required to add or replace an image in there. And again, I'm going to search for clothes, and I'm going to select, for example, this one. And upon selecting, just click the insert button, and you will now be able to see here that the image has now been set. So if you also want to add more elements, you could also click or choose to navigate on the left side panel some of the options, including to change the layout in here or style. We have here template, text appearance, buttons, spacing, and many more, where you could also start customizing it depending on your preferences. While under these buttons, you could also change the button sizes, the button font style and font size, and even choose the borders of it, button ridges, and many more. But if you also want to use AI in creating or customizing your campaign, you can click this AI button right here and start generating text with your AI assistant. However, I'm going to choose to click the content block right here and start customizing it manually, such as, for example, by adding videos right here, by dragging it on this page. From here, you will be able to simply click on it, and on the left side panel, just simply enter the video URL that you want to be played on this page. And aside from that, on the left side panel, you could also add here your social media account, HTML, payment link, header with logo, and many more. But if you're not done, just click the Save and Quit button on the top right corner to start saving the changes. And upon clicking on it, you will now be able to see here the result of your campaign that you've now created. You could also start clicking the preview and text, or you could also add more personalization in here under additional settings if you want to, and click the Save button to proceed. And again, if you're not done, you could also now start schedule to send this one or preview and test. But by scheduling it, all you need to do is to simply select here, schedule for later, or choose the date in here, or send at the best time. But you must have an upgrade account in order to do so in here. So in those options, I'm going to choose preview and test, and upon clicking on it, it will show us on this pop-up window that we can send this email to test in our recipient or preview as a customer in here to see what it looks like. But overall, that is just basically how you can create email campaign in Brevo. Thank you.